what am I doing, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm doing a room tour. This one, where I'm on the bottom of steps. This is my bedroom door. Well, I'm not open this up. I'm already in my bedroom. My new room, I have stairs that lead up to my rest of my room. Let's see what's just up on my room. And if I go over to the left, is where I have my needles. This is where I'm taking my stuff and trying to find a place for. This is for something for I'm doing next month. And there's a light switch down there for a light over on the underside of my room. I have adapted. We'll show you a little bit. This one's for the light over here. And over here is my bed. Wait, that this fan was here when I moved in. My nightstand, my fan. Then there's my fan. Air freshener. My winter boots. One of my little bins. Trash can. And then over here, an laundry basket. I have enough guns in there. I know. One of them, I think this is it. The other one is what I have, which tastes for milk bullets in them. Bats, my loaded tool. I only moved in like ones of last week. This tail is here. My dresser, TV. TV's in there. I can't use for my TV, but there's the two bolts that are supposed to be there and they're all missing. And the top piece, top in that made us, don't make them anymore. So then we have my Xbox One S, Xbox 360, and my G.I. Joe retaliation poster. My mom's air fryer. My mom's, I have a toffee maker, but I have put that down in the kitchen. Over here, my toner shelf, and under closet, pillow, towels, wash cloths, bags, backpacks, Nerf guns, movies, my games for my Xbox One, food items, and then here, Nerf gun, Nerf bullets, and here Nerf bullets, and here parts for one of my Nerf guns, mask, helmet, thing to put on my head when I put the helmet on. Then here's my dust, my laptop, and fishing tail that when my stepdad lost my mom's tail. A shelf, a light flashing that lights up, and my bathroom. And there's one I said, what's the shower bathtub? I said, my room has 1.5 baths. The one downstairs has a shower and a bathtub. So this is just my bathroom. And this is where I would brush my teeth, comb my hair, or if I need to, save my bill, toilet. Just use it to take my towel I'm using, then my washcloth for it to dry off. And that's all I'm just using this for storage. Then was like the light possession was on the bottom of the steps, turns on this light. And then there's a love sign up there I hang up. Then I have stuff here. And I have stuff here. And this outfit would have been for my twin brother if he didn't die at birth. A picture of my sister Heather, my daddy Dem, and me. And most people don't many people have two dads. Well, I have two dads. Picture of my sister, me as a Ted, and my friend Dale, my two cousins, my Nennis niece when she was a baby, then my mom, and pictures of me from kindergarten all the way to 9th grade. In the middle of 10th grade, with the COVID, I was doing online and doing that. My mom ended up passing away. Then my diploma. Then I made these, right? Made these for in my CT test I had for my senior year. My aircraft area. And Winter, someone were building at me teeth off his winter that he was doing the swap. And more stuff here. Basketball at my dad's at graduation. It's more stuff. I'm trying to that the thing I'm doing it again next month. That I did last year. And something I made in I believe 4th grade, and over here is where I used to record my controllers for my 360. And obviously my Xbox One controller is wired. And I would make it here from like paying field name, so watching TV and everyone if I did tour and use that. Then I do have some more type of shoes inside of there. That's where I had like some neat pieces and people in. I had a piece in here. And then let's see. I've enough done door of my nightstand. Enough done now. And here are also more DVDs. Another one if I don't do live streams. Well, if you notice here, and it was my mom's laptop, and that's a timer for camera, and that's why I don't live stream. And this is why I have some of my pencils and pens. Here's some more pens. This was my favorite pen. This was given to my to me by my CT teacher, who's now the CEO of my county that I live in. And I've these models here. Those model there that really fits. Another no, have a chance to buy Super Duo. Yeah. And here's my picture. Here's a picture of my grandpa, which is my mom's dad, in his military, his army uniform. He was a medic in the army. Picture of me as a baby, my sister holding me as a baby. Picture of me when I was 2 years old. I believe that's a picture of me. And that's a picture of my mom. Here's a picture of my brother holding me as a baby. And I see a picture of mom and the mom. That's I believe my brother and sister. My Aunt Winnie, my Uncle Frank. And here's a picture of me. And this is a picture of my mom's birthday shots, which she had way before I was born. Here's a couple of things I have. I don't know what happened to my day for Minecraft Expert 1 edition. Besides that, I recently, my stepbrother gave me Batman Arkham Knight. I have Transformers Civilization WW2K18, a Sonic named Truck Driver, a baseball game, Final Fantasy 15, Black Ops 3, which doesn't work, GTA 5, Town Mechanic Simulator, Watch Dogs 2, 2K20, WW2K20, Forza Horizon 3, Forza Horizon 5, Forza Horizon 4, Need for Speed, WW2K17, Titanfall 2, and my GTA 5. This is actually inside of my Xbox One S. And also my twin brother's access. My backpack I use now, which I got for Christmas by my girl, as in now my fiance, which I'm planning on me and her they married June of 2026. Next time me and her or at my brother's house, I might do me and her ride the bus together to my brother's house. Me and her might do a video. I might do a video with her in it. Well, maybe not, I don't know. And I know I might or may not, I may end up doing a dam. And this is Mr. Tracy